Morning guys, this vlog's back again with another video. So today I actually joined me car shopping. I'm just sort of looking around to see if they've got anything small, automatic, quite stylish, and obviously quite budgeted as well, so 4 things. There's that Corsa I was looking at. That's nice actually, now I've seen the colour. So yeah, this is the Corsa sort of thing I was looking at. Oh no, it's not automatic even. Damn it. Yeah, 7.5 grand, 1.3. It's a bit yellow, isn't it? I can't see me doing sort of car videos with that. Damn it! But it catches it. There's another one that's red. Don't like that. Fuck that. Okay. This is nice. It wasn't automatic. I'll ask him if he's got any automatics because your boy needs an automatic. I don't like manuals. I can drive stick, but I can't. Do you know what I mean? Apologise for the quality as well. I'm on my iPhone. I've left my camera. Oh, that's nice, but it's 10 grand. Jeez. I've also got a thing for insurance and road tax purposes is why I want cheap stuff. Possibly zero road tax. I'm going to head back down that way where sort of like the other cars are, just to see what happens. Also, I'm making my first ever merge. Apologise for the camera quality. Damn, that's sold. Oh, sweet. Okay, so I found the potential. Yeah, what's one next to it? Mate, that's brand spanking new, basically. Jesus. No, I don't know about that actually, because it could have been in a collision. But the seat covers and everything are still on it. That's crazy, but I'm not looking at that one. I'll show you. I'm not going to actually show you the one I'm looking at. It is an automatic. It's a 1 litre. Jesus. It's an 8 grand. You know, I forget it. I could try and get it cheaper, like 7.5. I'm looking at 8. See this white? There's a car right next to it, and it's so nice. That's an automatic as well. Nice. I will get up looking tight, sweet. Let's have a look at this thing. Oh mate, that is nice. Alright guys, so I've got a potential car lined up. Yeah, it's not really a cheap job, but yes, the car. If I can get this car, mate, it's gonna be amazing. Like proper. Yeah. So yeah, big shout out actually goes to Mark at the car garage for such a friendly service and everything. It's brilliant. He just explained everything to me. I was so happy with how he handled everything. So, I was actually going to wrap up today's video. So yeah, wrapping up today's video with a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.